gusirikiridde. People power. Oyeki, where are you? Come along. Enkyukakyuka ebindabinda mama Museveni agenda mama nyabo. Oh, enkyukakyuka ebindabinda Museveni agenda mama nyabo. Enkyukakyuka ebindabinda Kaboleche agenda banangi Museveni atekayo kale mama Museveni agenda banaye mwetulireko wansi omukama mulungi ekiseera kyonna. This is the time. This is the time. Museveni agende. Newali banga alemedeko. Newali banga alemedeko. Obululu newali banga bukuddemu. Oti abanye ne bana bagiziza wajja kola ki? Agwake ekikuta obudde kijja kola ki? People power. Our power. Kunga Kyagulanyi kunga. Kunga Uganda kunga. Kunga Nupu kunga. Oh dear, Mr. President, our members of parliament, our deputy president, the Secretary General, leader of opposition, the party leadership, ladies and gentlemen, before welcoming our new converts into our party, I would like to make a few remarks, Mr. President and members. First of all, I want to begin by welcoming you to this important I want to begin by welcoming you all to this important mobilization ceremony, which is a reflection of the success in formation of our mobilization committees, courtesy of hard work between the organization department and mobilization departments, of course, of the National Inter-Platform, and with the support of other key functions of the party. These include the youth, the women. You may all notice that we have, and we are actively in the process of youth elections and other special interest groups. This exercise is not only a responsibility of the youth, but a collective effort of the entire mobilization structure that has continued to work hard to see that National Inter-Platform wins majority in the youth elections. This is therefore a collective responsibility and a call to action for the entire NUP fraternity to ensure that we win these elections. Ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome our new members into the party, you must be aware all the structures, Conga structures, mobilization structures, and all the entire functioning business of the party must engage in this youth election. As the political season charges up, the interest of elective positions have surged. I report to you today that citizens have expressed interest across the entire country to run, and all elected leaders have been involved in these structures. And this was done to promote inclusivity into the party mobilization efforts. These mobilization efforts have not come without attacks from the regime. As a victim of torture, I have witnessed Ugandans have been abducted, tortured, and brutalized. These are scare tactics. You can see even out there as we recruit our comrades. They have taken over the outside. They even refused some of our facilities to enter here. So, ladies and gentlemen, these have been used as scare tactics to affect the rate of our mobilization. You can see what is happening to our comrades, Eddie Mutwe, Noah Mutwe, and others who are incarcerated in prison. But they sabani pimireko, but I can't know Sabireko Eddie Mutwe, Obudum Bwalimu, never know Mutwe now, but Tamanji Badi, Okama Ababeremu. Esala gye tusaba bannange kusaba Katonda agumya abalwanyi baffe mwetulireko wansi. I am happy to inform you, ladies and gentlemen, that the more the regime executes these primitive measures as a tool to scare us from the struggle, all away from the struggle, the more vigilant we have become. This is very important. The more they have scared us, the more people are getting recruited into the party, and that's why today we are welcoming new members from different parties into the national platform. These new members intend to use this as a platform against impunity. So in the effect, our mobilization structure or infrastructure is going to encounter the political impunity in this country. Finally, this is my word of caution to the regime as the head of mobilization. Mr. President and members, we strongly advise the regime to free all political prisoners